Alrighty guys, in today's video I'm going to show you about 7 legitimate work from home data entry jobs with companies that you can get started with today and make up anywhere from about $15 to $20 per hour. Alright, so stick around, you're going to want to see this. Let's get started on it here right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to today's video. As I said before, we're going to show you 7 legitimate sites where you can get data entry jobs working from home, making anywhere from about $15 to $20, maybe $25 per hour. Alright, so first of all, before we get started with this, if you haven't already and you're new to my videos, my channel, consider hitting the subscribe button down there below, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, because I'm always coming out with videos with anything to do with making money online and from home to help bring time and financial freedom into your life. Okay? Alright, well, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started into today's video. What we're going to do is come over here to our Opera browser here, and the first site that we're going to take a look at today is called Accutron Global. You can see it up here in the address bar. It's accutronglobal.com. Okay, and here they do they work in the financial, medical, and legal fields, and they do roundtables, conference calls, press conferences, meetings, interviews, and focus groups. And it's more around the transcription data entry. In other words, if you're good at transcribing either voice or written text, you can do that and be pretty good with this company right here. And talks about they've been around since 2002, provide transcription and related services to clients around the world from our headquarters in Victoria, British Columbia, Canada, which, by the way, most of these, not all of them I don't think, but most of these that I'm going to show you are available worldwide. Okay? Alright, so in this here where it says hire us, this is about businesses that want to hire them. And down here where you want to come to is where it says work with us, as we are always interested in engaging with new contract subscribers, real-time stenographers, and voice writers. And they offer work in other departments to contractors who have established track record with us. And you have to have the ability to work independently and meet client deadlines while following guidelines precisely is critical for anyone contracting with us. And you can basically just click on the apply for work right here, and also you can contact them here at info@accutronglobal.com. Now you'll notice down here at the red part right here, let me get myself out of the way here a moment. And you can see here we've recently discovered that some unknown party has been impersonating Accutron Global. And these are scams attempting to get your credit card information. The only way we ever hire contractors starts by pressing the apply for work button above, this one right here, which I'm in the way of again here, the apply for work button. And then it says if you run into one of these scammers, please contact us at info@Accutron Global, which is the same as up here, and let them know. So that's one way that you can tell that they are a legitimate website, because they're interested in being known about other scammers. So that tells you that this is a pretty legitimate site, company here to get a job with right here. And you can like I said, you can contact them through email or by phone right here if you want, and click the apply for work button here as well. So that's site number 1 there, guys. And the second site that we'll come to today is Accutron Data Services. Accutron Data Service. You see it here in the address bar. Come to accutronData.com/employment, as you see right there. And then it says here again, they have right at the top here, they have their scam alert here. We're aware of various email scams soliciting people to apply for a position with Accutron. And if you're not registered on a database and the email address of a person contacting you does not end with @accutronData.com, it is a scam. So if it doesn't have that domain on it, then it's a scam. That here again tells you that this is a pretty legitimate site right here, because they are concerned about scams to do with their company here. Okay, and they have data entry careers here, and the nice thing about this is you'll see right here it says all operators work from home as independent contractors. You see that right there, and then so on and so forth. So you can come over here, you can get registered in their database to get started, and then you just fill out this little application that they have right here. As you see, just fill this out and then click submit and get into their database, so that when they have openings they can give you a call and get you started in on this. And you can also contact them by the phone number here and this email address you see right up here at the top, and as well as probably they have a Facebook account, so you can also get in contact with them through Facebook to start working with this legitimate company right here. So that's website number 2 for data entry, and the third one we're going to come to here is called Amazon Mechanical Turk. It says make money in your spare time, get paid for completing simple tasks. Now, Mechanical Turk has lots of different jobs, and you just pick the job that you want to do, complete the task, submit it, and get paid. But these are small amounts of money. These types of tasks are small amounts of money. I mean, you could do them in a matter of minutes, and you can do it in a matter of a few minutes up to maybe an hour it takes, I think, to do the most tasks on this site and then get paid. So to make some good money with this site, you'd need to complete quite a lot of tasks from their work database, which once you get signed up, you can come right up here at the top right and sign up and sign in as a worker right here, and request to be a worker with Mechanical Turk. And you see the address right here. It's www.mturk.com/worker. All right, and then you come here, and as you can see, they have all kinds of legitimate tasks in all these areas here. And you scroll down, they even have data entry, data processing with different types. We help companies understand and respond to different types of data by editing and transcribing audio content, translating content from one language to another, rating the accuracy of search results, and categorizing information based on instructions. And then so you can, here's another button right here, you can get started with Amazon Turk right here as well at the bottom right here, and get started with this website and make some reasonably good money here with this site. And this also, Amazon Mechanical Turk, I believe, is available worldwide here as well. Okay, all right, that's site number 3. Site number 4 here is called SignetTrack. You see it here in the address bar up here. It's SignetTrack.net. Okay, so you come here, and what is SignetTrack? It says SignetTrack is a database application that links grassroots campaigns with crowdsourced data entry freelancers, and so on and so forth. And here's some of the system requirements right here. You got to have Windows Pro Edition or higher, or a Mac OS 10.12 OS, dual monitors, and high-speed internet. And it says we are now accepting users. You see right here, we are now accepting new users. So you can come here and get signed up on this site and become a data entry specialist for this website right here. And it says how, click here where it says how do I start. Signing up is easier than ever. Just click on get started here, and then right here, it was one of the buttons we're interested in here is how do I get paid, right? So if you click on that, here it says you'll need a PayPal account to receive payment for your work. So if you don't have a PayPal account, it's easy enough. Make sure you go to paypal.com, sign up for a free PayPal account, and I would use the same email address that you sign up with PayPal to sign up with this company here, so it keeps it congruent, makes it easy for them to pay you through PayPal right from your account here on SignetTrack.net. So that's the 4th site in our 7 sites here today, guys. come to SignetTrack.net and you can get signed up with them and become a data entry specialist with this company right here. And the fifth site today is called Data Plus. You see right up here in the address bar, you're going to come to dataplus-svc.com/data entry.html. And that brings you to this page right here, and they have data entry, database program, business process outsourcing to support your business, and the data entry services, and some of the data entry jobs that you can get involved in here is in law enforcement reports, warranty cards, registration cards, judgments, liens, and bankruptcy, mailing list development, membership applications, professional certifications, targeted marketing lists, and vehicle identification number validation. And so you can get involved here with this company as well, doing data entry with this company, and you can either click the contact button right here to contact them and send them an email, or there may even be a phone number here. Yeah, right here. Here's their address right here in Hiram, Georgia, United States. You can email them at this email address right here, or call them at this number here and find out about getting into them, working with them in this company right here. And they have also the contact down here at the bottom as well with their phone number here, and find out and inquire about the openings that they have and the process of getting signed up with this legitimate company right here, Data Plus, data entry and document scanning services. So that's site number 5 out of the 7. Let's check out number 6 now today. The website number 6 is called Dion Data Solutions. You see it up here in the address bar. It's diondatasolutions.net/data entry.html, and you can get there by clicking also on the services tab here too. So the data entry, you get involved with you doing hard copy, handwritten originals, type copy, online sources, scanned images, and so on and so forth. And they deal in these different types of data entry categories here: medical claims, dental claims, inventories, catalogs, mailing lists, subscription fulfillment, surveys, OCR repair enrollment forms, warranty cards, contribution cards, and product registration cards, health and human services, surveys, enrollment forms, clearinghouse data, medical and dental applications, and so on and so forth. So it says Dion Data Solutions is the leading provider in data entry services, and so on and so forth. And so you can come here, and you want to hit their contact us button right here, and you can send them an email at this email address right here, ndion@diondatasolutions.com, and find out about how to get involved with this company and become a data entry technician or specialist with this company right here, which is a pretty legitimate company here too, it appears. Alright, so that's website number 6. And the last one in today's video, guys, website number 7, we're going to come over here to Working Solutions Jobs, and you see it up here in the address bar. It's jobs.workingsolutions.com. And this website right here will get you can work at home jobs, and you can apply for a position right here at the apply button. And what they do here is all types of different data entry, and you can become a part of their woohoo crew, whatever that means. I'm not sure what that's all about, but they got testimony here about it and stuff, different people. They even offer you education here that costs nothing out of pocket. Unlike other companies, Working Solution educates its data entry agents here at no cost to you in a client's business and Working Solutions University. the Working Jobs University here, and so on. And here's some of the testimonies of other people, such as yourself, that get involved in this and work for this company. And you can join the talent community here, and so on and so forth. And the same thing, you can contact them through their contact link right up here. This website does not scroll very well, but you can either contact them here or click the Apply Now button here, and then it brings over and it shows you the different job listings that they have, and all over the place. They're all work from home places, of course, and these are from all over the U.S. Now, I don't think that this one is good for worldwide here. I think this one is just mainly U.S., but they might be able to certainly tell you different if you contact them at their contact number there right here. They would be able to tell you more. They're based in Dallas, Texas here, and it looks like you can send them a personal message here with their form on the site, or you can email them at agents@workingsol.com and inquire about being a part of this company. And here again, they tell you about scams right here on this, because they don't, apparently people are trying to use themselves as this company and represent this company, and it ends up being a scam. So they're telling you here about that. The only way to become a worker home agent solutions, the only way to do this is to apply on their website, and you can do that right there at that link as well. So this is another legitimate site here, because they're interested in finding out about scams. If they weren't, they wouldn't be telling you about that. But this company is, like the others, has been around for quite a long time, so I would believe that this is a pretty legitimate company that you could get involved with and start working from home doing simple data entry for them. Okay, guys, well, that's what I had for you today, was these 7 companies that you can get involved with in 2020 here and begin to make a reasonably pretty good income, anywhere from about $15 to $25 per hour roughly, working for these companies. Accutron Global, Accutron Data, Amazon, Turk, SignetTrack, Data Plus, Dion Data Solutions, and Working Solutions Jobs. Okay, alrighty guys, well, if you got some value out of this video, hit the thumbs up button for me, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And if you want to check out how to make up to $4,000 in one day, then you want to click that link down there at the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com. Come over and check out that, and just for checking it out, you're going to get a free video training that will show you how to make up to $1,000 per month. Alright, so check out my business at the end of my funnel there, and learn how you can make up to $4,000 in one day and get involved with that. Alrighty guys, well, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you guys here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Have a great day now. Bye-bye now.